What does the lighting scene look like on the light strips, says Disappointed. Sure, I can show it to you. We can switch over to the light strips. Let's do it. All right, so let me go to my room scene. Here we go. And we can go over to the light strips. Here we go. And so everybody knows I have the light strips under my desk down here. That's what's making my floor light up, and on the back of my desk, which is lighting up the edges of my room over here. And then we can take a look at the sunset scene. Ooh, sunsetty. See, meteor show. Whoa, meteor show is kind of crazy. When you see this on camera right now, it looks so much better in real life than it does on camera from far away like this. But, you know, I just wanted to show you the wide view. And just look at this. When I turn these lights off, just look, it gets super sad and dead in this space. And as soon as I turn these lights on, it just adds so much more life, so much more decor. So there you go. You can go to the Light Studio tab and use DIYs others have made and apply them on your device. Just click out of the control section and scroll to the next tab. Okay? Out of the control section and scroll to the next tab. It's in the Light Studio, huh? Cool. Oh, wow. Here we go. All sorts of different DIYs are in here. Cool. Very, very cool. So I can go ahead and pick up all sorts of light effects by different creators and what have you. That's really, really awesome. This is really awesome. I'm going to go ahead and experiment with this a little bit later and pick up some of these effects created by other people and apply them to my lights. Thank you for making me aware of that, Aaron. Thank you. You're being very helpful today. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So there you go. That's the I guess the point of all of this is to say that the creative potential is endless with these lights. You can do anything at all, anything you could possibly imagine. Gazillions, bazillions, millions of combinations with these lights to enhance your space and to have it be whatever you want. So whether it's a gamer setup like this, whether you are just looking to light up a shelf somewhere, whether you're looking to have these lights be behind your TV, whether you're looking to transform underneath the cabinets in your kitchen, LED strip lighting is super versatile and can be you can have it be adhesive essentially to any sort of flat and treated surface essentially. So that's awesome. Thank you so much for that heads up.